Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's Rosario here. And if you guys don't know, I'm documenting my trading journey. I'm updating you guys on how my trading journey is going. And if you haven't subscribed yet, before we get started, hit the like button, comment down below, share and subscribe, and let's get into it. I took this week, why I took this trades, and the before and the after of the trades, how it played out. So nice. I have my screenshots here. So let's get into it straight. Okay, guys. Nice. So this is actually the first trade I took for the week. It was on Monday. So what happened in this trade? As you guys can see, we have this nice descending channel in the market. The market printed a nice descending channel. The market's been pushing down towards the downside, printing a nice descending channel, and also trading within a corrective type of market structure, a corrective reversal type of market structure. And as you guys can see, this level of resistance right here that became support, and the market pushed up impulsively and actually came back to this level of support right here where I actually took my entry. I actually took this entry a bit late actually, so I did not get stopped out in the market. I took the trade a bit late and I did not get stopped out in the market. So let me show you guys how this trade played out on US 30. Okay, nice. As you guys can see, this trade actually proceeded to push towards the upside. This 90% line here, this trend line right here, was actually my first take profit. However, I anticipated the market to push up higher. As you guys can see, my overall take profit is at this 42.885.01 level. That's where I actually had my overall target profit within the market. But this 90% rule, as you can see, this trend line right here, was actually my first take profit level in the market. However, as soon as the market reached that specific point in the market, what I actually did was I actually trailed my stop loss to break even with the hopes that I will be able to ride this market towards the upside. And what happened was the market actually came down and took me out at break even. Yeah, so the market actually came back and took me out at break even. As you guys can see, the market took me out at break even. Funny story, guys. uh I actually banked more than 5% on this specific trade. However, I did not close the trade. I don't know why. It's probably because I anticipated the market to push up higher. That's the reason I probably did not close the trade. And as you guys can see right here, the market pushed up and came back to my overall entry level, and I got stopped out in this trade at break even, guys. So this is the first trade I took on Monday, US 30. So the first trade took me out at break even, guys. Nice. Let me show you guys the second trade I took. Okay, so this is the second trade I took for the week. Second trade I took. Let me just make sure. Yeah, the second trade I took for the week. And as you guys can see right there, we have a nice overall ranging market. We have a nice ranging market right here. The market, the support level, the market pushed up, reached this level of resistance, slightly pushed down. And as you guys can see, the market slightly rallied up towards the upside, respected this level of support, of resistance in the market actually, and the market moved down in a corrective manner, indicating to us that there's a high possibility that we might see bullish momentum in the market towards the upside, as we have this nice descending channel that has been formed upon the corrective reversal market structure. And yeah, guys, I got in at this level right here at the breakout, at this impulsive breakout. And to be quite honest, guys, this trade, when I look at it in hindsight, and when I look at this trade in hindsight, I wasn't supposed to actually enter upon this level. I was actually supposed to wait for my entry model to play out. In this specific instance, I jumped the gun and I took the trade. And but nonetheless, let me show you guys how this specific trade played out, and let's get into it. Okay, as you guys can see, the market proceeded to hit my stop loss, and I got stopped out at 1% at this specific trade. And yeah, I just remembered I also re-entered on a previous position. On the first trade I took for the week, I re-entered and I also made some profits, or the market gave me some profits. However, I did not seize the opportunity that the market availed to me. I proceeded to trail my stop loss at break even, and then the market came and stopped me out. So in total, right now we are at 3 trades for the week right now. And yeah, guys, let's proceed and let me show you guys the rest of the trades I took for the week. Okay, so this is also one of the trades that I took for the week. As you guys can see, same market structure. We have a nice descending channel right here, a nice descending channel within the market. The market printing a nice corrective continuation, corrective reversal structure within this overall ranging market. And my anticipations, guys, with this specific trade was to actually ride the trade towards the upside. And yeah, the market took me out at break even as well. As you guys can see, the market proceeded to move in my direction and then came back to hit my stop loss. So this specific trade I got out at break even. I drilled my stop and the market actually hit my stop loss, guys. And let's proceed onto the next trade. Okay, nice. So this is also one of the trades that I took. I think I took this specific position, guys, actually quite late in the evening, which does not align with my overall time zone execution. But nonetheless, let me take you guys into the specific position and why I took this specific trade. And let's get into it. So nice, guys. As you guys can see, the market has been creating nice bearish momentum, overall bearish momentum. The market has been trickling down, trading to the downside. And as you guys can see, you've been creating significant lower lows and lower highs within the market. And followed by this impulsive move towards the downside, I saw the market actually correcting, retracing in a corrective continuation manner, which resulted in this nice, I would say, reversal ascending channel type of structure within the market. And as you guys can see, this is the nice ascending channel within the market. We have this high right here, which I anticipated that the market would take out. And so the market actually played out nice in my direction, guys. The market gave me a strong close right here, gave me a strong close below this low that led to this lower high. The market created a new lower low where I actually entered upon the market, and the market proceeded to hit my stop loss, guys. So yeah, that's it, guys. So for this specific week, I actually executed Monday. I actually executed two trades, which I made some profits, but I did not take profit. So when we rounded up, I took two trades on Monday, which were at a break even, and after that, the market just I took three losses on one on Tuesday, one on Wednesday, and one I think on Thursday, guys. Yeah, guys, and that's it. As I've said, I'm showing you guys the journey. I'm being quite transparent with you guys, and we are getting there slowly but surely. It's actually been a pretty good week for me, even though I ended up in taking, I think, a 2% loss or 3% loss in the market. But what I realized, guys, is the trades that I took on Monday was actually going to cover me for these losses that I took in the market. Because let's say I took profit, hypothetically speaking, I took profit in the market and the market proceeded as I anticipated, or when the market showed me profit, I took profit, I would have been up approximately 7%, guys. And this 3% loss would not have been so, I wouldn't say tremendous, but substantial in a way. And yeah, I'm learning, guys. I'm showing you guys the journey. I'm being quite transparent with you guys. And yeah, guys, yet again, it's your boy Rosario Smith. Hit that like button, comment down below, share this video, subscribe. We going to the top together. It's just a matter of time, and let's lock in.